Draw my bird head.
Draw your bird head.
The old bird head.
Yeah, except you want the top of this to be... this was just part of the paper. I just started and rounded it. Do you see what I'm saying? So you don't want to take a lot off of her head. So go up so that you're meeting the line. Yeah. The first time I did it, I cut off the beak.
Whoops. So this does take a little practice. Is what you're telling me?
Well, you have to be careful. Like, don't be too enthusiastic there. Just, yeah, cutting off beaks.